Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. My today's topic is Chapter 3, Caught in a Blizzard. Okay, the name of the book is New Radiant Reader 8. Okay, this chapter is for class 8. Once again I am telling you the name of the chapter, Caught in a Blizzard, part 1. Okay, page number 18. Clear? It's page number 18. Now what is the meaning of blizzard? Blizzard means severe storm. Okay. Now let's start explanation. This story taken from a book written by a well-known women traveler. Okay. It's a story from a book written by a well-known women traveler. Tells of a journey. It's of a journey made by a reindeer sledges. Reindeer animal. Okay. Made by a reindeer sledges across Lapland. And where was the journey made? Across Lapland. In the far north of Europe. And where is Lapland? In the far north of Europe. A Lap named Perd. What is the name of the Lap? Perd. Okay. Aided by a companion is in charge of the sledges. Sledges means cart. Who is in the charge of the sledges? Perd. Okay, the Lap tried in a baggage sledges called pulkas. Dusk was fast approaching. Now, what is dusk? Time after sunset. Dusk was fast approaching as we left Romsdal. Romsdal, name of a place. At first, the driver's sheet delight. At first, the driver's very sheet delight. Okay, it gave happiness. The sky had cleared and the evening glow on the mountain. The sky, it was a clear sky. There was an evening glow on the mountains. The clear frosty air. The air was very nice. And the new adventure that I was enjoying. Narrator was enjoying. All served to put in the highest of spirit. Narrator was in very good spirit. I felt I could go on happily like this. Narrator felt he could happily go on like this for hours with the approach of darkness. Now, as soon as the darkness approached, however, things become less pleasant. Okay, things become less pleasant. For the cold increased considerably. And why did the things become less pleasant? Because the cold increased considerably. And as we began to climb slowly up into the hill, now they began to climb slowly into the hills. We met icy wind. What did they meet over there? Icy winds, which forced me to cover my face with a woolen shawl. And because of the icy wind, narrator covered his face with a woolen shawl and made me think with regret of shelter. Now also thinking of shelter, okay, because it was too cold, and the joys of a warm fire, and he also wanted a fire. After a while we reached a bare wind-slipped plateau. Now they reached a plateau which seemed to be in the very heart of the mountains, for in the distance I heard the dismal long drawn note of some dogs. Now in distance he could hear some howling of dogs. Okay, the narrator could hear some howling of dogs. At least I hope they were dogs, for the sound was unpleasantly like the baying of wolves. And the narrator thought that they were dogs, okay, because the sound was very unpleasant. Okay, whether it was too far away to be alarming. Peeping out from beneath the shelter of my shawl, I took a hasty look around. Now the narrator looked around and saw we came upon a solitary Lap seated on a log. Now they came to a place where a Lap was sitting. A Lap was sitting on a log. Okay, he was resting. And what was the Lap doing? He was resting his reindeer. And we stopped to do the same. And now they also stopped to do the same. Okay. Perd and his friends lit their pipes. Now Perd and his friends, what did they do? They lit their pipes and talked with the Lap. And what did they do? They talked with the Lap for some time. While after they had exchanged greeting. Now after exchanging greeting in the customary way. And what was that customary way? By placing their right hands on each other's shoulder. Okay, placing the right hand on each other's shoulder and murmuring. Now what were they murmuring? Bodies, bodies. A Lap always does this. Okay, a Lap always does this on meeting another. Okay, after which the two exchange snuff or tobacco. Now after that these two persons exchanged snuff or tobacco and politely inquired after each other's families or reindeer. Now they started talking about their families and their reindeer up to this much. Okay, and in my next class I will continue with this chapter. Until then, goodbye.